Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something really exciting to talk about. If you are into AI-generated art, text-to-image models, or just love seeing how technology is evolving, you are going to want to stick around for this one. We're diving into the latest update to ComfyUI-PuLID-Flux, a tool that's already been a game changer for creators, but now it's even better. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be itching to try it out yourself. Let's get into it. First, let's set the stage. For those who aren't familiar, PuLID is a cutting-edge method for customizing text-to-image generation. It allows you to insert specific identities like a person's face into AI-generated art while keeping the original style, lighting, and composition intact. It's like giving the AI a photo and saying, "Hey, make this person the star of your next masterpiece." Cool, right? But here is the thing: earlier versions of the tool had a problem, a big one. Model pollution. Yep, that's the term. When you inserted an ID into the model, it could mess with the original behavior of the AI. The background, the style, even the lighting, it all got thrown off. And for creators, that's a deal breaker. But guess what? That's no longer an issue. Thanks to the latest update, the team behind ComfyUI-PuLID-Flux has solved the model pollution problem. That means you can now insert IDs without worrying about ruining the original model's behavior. The background stays consistent, the lighting remains perfect, and the style unchanged. It's like magic, but better because it's real. But wait, here is more. This update isn't just about fixing problems, it's about adding power. Let me show you. First up, the update introduces support for TeaCache. If you are not familiar, TeaCache is a tool that speeds up AI workflows by caching intermediate results. And now you can use it seamlessly with PuLID-Flux. Just make sure to place the Apply PuLID-Flux node before the Flux Forward Overrider and Apply TeaCache Patch nodes. Easy, right? And if you are all about speed, who isn't? This update also supports Comfy-WaveSpeed. That's right, you can now turbocharge your AI art generation. Just link the Apply PuLID-Flux node before the Apply FB Cache on model node, and you are good to go. Faster workflows, better results, what's not to love? Now, here is where things get really interesting. The update also introduces a new feature called Attention Mask. If you are into the technical side of things, this is a big deal. It allows you to control how the model pays attention to different parts of the image. And while the developer initially thought it might not work correctly, they've now got it running smoothly. The results? Stunning. See the difference? The details are sharper, the focus is clearer, and the overall quality? Through the roof. This is the kind of upgrade that takes your AI art from pretty good to absolutely jaw-dropping. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty. How do you actually install and use this updated version of ComfyUI-PuLID-Flux? Don't worry, I'll walk you through it. First, you'll need to make sure you've got the latest version of ComfyUI installed. If you are not already on version 0.3.7 or higher, you'll need to upgrade. Once that's done, head over to the custom nodes directory in your ComfyUI installation. Run these commands to clone the repository and install the requirements. It's as simple as that. Once you've done that, restart ComfyUI and you are ready to go. Now let's talk about the models. You'll need to download the PuLID-Flux models, and you can find the links in the README file. I'll put a link in the description below for your convenience. All right, let's see this in action. I've got a workflow set up here, and I am going to generate an image using the updated PuLID-Flux. Watch how quickly it processes the input and generates the output. And look at the quality, the details are incredible, and the style is perfectly preserved. This is the power of the new update. Notice how the background stays consistent and the lighting is just right. This is what we mean by minimizing model pollution. And with the attention mask feature, you can fine-tune the focus to get exactly the result you want. So there you have it, the latest update to ComfyUI-PuLID-Flux. With improved performance, new features, and a focus on empowering creators, this is a tool you don't want to miss. Whether you are a seasoned pro or just getting started with AI art, this update has something for everyone. So let's recap. With this update, you are getting no more model pollution, your AI art stays true to its original style. Support for TeaCache and ComfyWaveSpeed faster workflows, better efficiency. Attention, mask more control, better results. And the best part, it's all available right now. Just head over to the GitHub page, follow the installation instructions, and you are ready to go. But before you go, I've got one last thing to tell you. This update isn't just about making things easier or faster, it's about empowering creators. It's about giving you the tools to bring your vision to life without limits. And who knows, maybe the next masterpiece we talk about on this channel will be yours. Thank you very much for watching this video to the end. See you on the next one.